Well, hey there now, folks. We're coming to you live and direct from the gates of steel here at Cleveland Power and Performance. So I know you've been working hard, you've been working overtime, you've been working hard, so let's take a quick time out for fun. Folks, I have an uncontrollable urge and I want to tell you all about it. And what I want to tell you about is this 2018 Dodge Challenger Hellcat donor car, okay folks? This particular Hellcat donor car is spoken for and it's sold quick. We do have another one in the works, and I have a gut feeling that that one's not going to last long either. You know, we love to sell our Hellcat turnkey pallet packages, but we also love to sell our donor cars because this gets you all the parts you need to swap over into that resto ride or a Hellcat project swap you have brewing up. It lets you take all the parts and de-evolve them over into whatever project car you're working on. And as you probably know, she's a running and driving car. A running and driving donor car, no loss of power. You already know that. We know this. So let's see if we can whip it into shape, shape it up. So first we're gonna get straight. We gotta pull forward. Oh, we gotta move ahead. Try to detect it. It's not too late. So let's whip it. Let me tell you, now that's pep. Here at Cleveland Power Performance, if you want a donor car or a turnkey pallet package, you let us know what you want. You have the freedom of choice to tell us what you need. Give us a call, 866-236-5031 from Cleveland Power and Performance.